Zara the Zealous Zebra. English stories by English with Miss Julia. Zara loved exploring the vast savannah. Her stripes shimmered under the golden sun like a symmetrical pattern. She noticed every detail around her with curious eyes. Zara believed that patterns could tell secret stories. One morning Zara saw labyrinth paths in the tall grass. The winding trails reminded her of puzzles waiting to be solved. She followed them carefully with focused attention. Each step revealed something new and fascinating. Nearby, shadows danced in dappled shapes beneath a tree. Zara described them as intricate and ever-changing. She loved finding new words to match what she saw. It made her observations more meaningful. Zara met a wise tortoise who admired her keen eye. He told her that practiced language makes thoughts clearer. Zara listened carefully and felt inspired. She decided to learn even more descriptive words. She noticed the symmetrical wings of a butterfly. The colors were vibrant and harmonious. Zara practiced describing them in detail. She felt proud of her growing vocabulary. Across the plains, she saw a jagged rock formation. Its uneven edges created a rugged appearance. Zara compared it to smooth river stones nearby. She enjoyed contrasting different patterns. Later, she found a spiral shell near a watering hole. The design was elegant and continuous. Zara called it mesmerizing and graceful. She loved how words could capture beauty. A group of birds flew in a linear formation overhead. Their movement was coordinated and precise. Zara described their flight as synchronized. She admired their teamwork. At sunset, the sky turned radiant and luminous. Colors blended in a seamless gradient. Zara whispered new words to herself. Each one painted a clearer picture in her mind. She noticed the repetitive rhythm of her own footsteps. The pattern was steady and predictable. Zara called it consistent and reassuring. It made her feel calm. Zara keeps discovering patterns and naming them with precision. Her confidence grows with each new word. She becomes more expressive every day. Zara discovered a cluster of flowers with symmetrical petals. Their arrangement was balanced and orderly. She practiced saying these words aloud. Her confidence grew stronger. If you are enjoying this story thus far, please consider clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. This way you may be alerted of our new stories. She watched clouds drift in irregular shapes. Some were fluffy and soft, others sharp and angular. Zara compared them carefully. She loved learning subtle differences. A river flowed in a winding serpentine path. Its movement was fluid and dynamic. Zara followed its curves with fascination. She added new words to her collection. She found footprints that formed a repetitive trail. Each mark was identical and patterned. Zara described them as uniform. She wondered who had made them. A herd of zebras passed by in rhythmic motion. Their stripes created mesmerizing illusions. Zara called them optical patterns. She felt connected to the herd. She met a clever monkey who used playful language. He described things in exaggerated ways. Zara learned the word vivid from him. It made her stories more exciting. At night, the stars formed constellations in the sky. The patterns were intricate and ancient. Zara described them as celestial designs. She felt small but inspired. The moonlight created elongated shadows on the ground. Zara called them stretched and dramatic. She loved how light changed shapes. It made everything look different. A breeze moved through the grass in gentle waves. The motion was smooth and flowing. Zara described it as graceful. She felt peaceful watching it. She found a patch of grass that grew in dense clusters. It looked thick and abundant. Zara used the word lush. It felt rich and expensive. A rocky hill appeared uneven and chaotic. Zara described it as irregular. She compared it to flat land nearby. The contrast helped her understand more. She saw a reflection in a calm pond. The image was clear and symmetrical. Zara described it as mirrored. She loved how still water revealed patterns. A snake slithered in a zigzag motion. Its path was sharp and angular. Zara described it as erratic yet precise. She admired its movement. A group of ants marched in an orderly line. Their path was disciplined and structured. Zara described them as organized. She respected their teamwork. She saw a rainbow stretching across the sky. Its colors were vibrant and harmonious. Zara described it as radiant. It filled her with joy. A bird's nest showed a complex woven design. Zara called it intricate and detailed. She admired the careful construction. It inspired her curiosity. A waterfall cascaded in a powerful motion. The flow was continuous and strong. Zara described it as dynamic. She felt amazed by its energy. She noticed repeating patterns in her own stripes. They were symmetrical and unique. Zara felt proud of her identity. She described herself as distinctive. The savannah at dawn looked tranquil. Soft colors covered the land. Zara described it as peaceful. It was her favorite time of the day. She saw lightning flash in jagged lines across the sky. The pattern was unpredictable and striking. Zara called it dramatic. It left her in awe. A flock of flamingos stood in elegant poses. Their information looked balanced and graceful. Zara described them as poised. She admired their beauty. The wind created swirling dust patterns. They were chaotic yet mesmerizing. Zara described them as turbulent. She loved their wild energy. Zara realized that every pattern had meaning. Words helped her understand the world deeply. She felt proud of her learning journey. Her language skills had grown beautifully. From that day on, Zara shared her knowledge with others. She taught them to see patterns and use rich vocabulary. The savannah became a place of learning and wonder. Zara, the zealous zebra, became a true master of words. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way you may be alerted of all our new stories. Do stay tuned to see the vocabulary used in Zara's story.